Hi, my name is Bryant Terry, and I am sending this message from my home office in Oakland, California. I am a healthy eating advocate slash food justice activist, an author of 4 books, and the inaugural chef in residence at the Museum of the African Diaspora in San Francisco. In this position, I create programming for the public that celebrates, inspires, educates people about the intersection of food, health, farming, art, culture, music, and the African diaspora. I started working around food issues around 15 years ago when I founded an organization in New York City called Be Healthy, working with young people from the lower economic strata of New York City. One of the most powerful lessons that I learned is that when working with young people and many people from communities most impacted by lack of access to healthy, fresh, affordable, and culturally appropriate food, starting with the heady intellectual ideas, starting with the high-level public policies is often the least effective way to get the message across, to have these ideas resonate with people. And since then, my guiding mantra has been this simple phrase: start with the visceral to ignite the cerebral and end at the political. I'm very clear that in order to address the various physical, economic, and geographic barriers that people in impacted communities have to accessing healthy, fresh, and affordable and culturally appropriate food, we need to address public policy on the federal, on the state, on the local level. But one of the most powerful ways to start engaging communities, to get people excited about these issues, to help them have a individual transformation around their own habits and attitudes and politics around food, is by starting with simple things like cooking, building community around the table, sharing food, growing food. And so that has been the approach that I've taken. We are excited about the potential of partnering with the wider Richmond community. Richmond, California is one of the most food insecure slash food unjust areas that are dealing with food injustice in the San Francisco Bay Area. Has some of the highest rates of preventable diet-related illnesses, and about half of the population is African American and other people of African descent. I am excited about partnering with community organizations, food justice organizations in the community to bring this philosophy of engaging people and empowering people to cook their heritage foods as a way to improving their personal health and well-being. I firmly believe that if we want to improve our health and well-being, we need to be eating the food of our ancestors, and we have a powerful project that will give people the tools to actually do that as a way to reclaiming their health and well-being.